again, they had a system and we thought this could make it better and it could make it easier for them. It's easier for the teachers. It's easier for the parents. And so, like everybody involved had already had some work involved in the process. And so this platform made it easier for everyone involved to know what's going on and to be informed. So I think, the buy-in came from, hey, you're already doing the work. Let's try to make it as easy and as streamlined and efficient as possible. Yeah, I think, it's funny because it came so naturally because, again, I think as middle school teachers, they know that kids are going to make mistakes. We know that you're going to have, these situations, and you want to reward your great kids too. Your kids that are doing everything right. At the end of the year, when we ran the report of, hey, 800 kids out of your 1,200 did not have a demerit all year. Like, we spend so much time on the other end. And it was amazing when we would run that report and be like, wow, I just rattled off a number that was 75%, but it was really higher. I think it was like 83%. Like 83% of our kids are doing exactly what they're supposed to every single day. And if we went to the ones like that got less than 10 for the year, it was even higher than that. So, it was 95% or something just insane of, these, 5% of our kids can be such a distraction, forgive my phrasing, but like a time suck of like, we spend so much time and effort on them as we should, because we need to, but also this 95%, like, let's be proud of that. And let's talk about that. And let's, reward those kids. So this year was actually the first year we kind of created an end of year award that had to do with, we called it the Integrity Award, and it had to do with how many demerits they had all year. And actually it was so many more kids at our award ceremony because that was something that we chose to acknowledge. So again, just the kids that are doing everything right all the time and finding a way to acknowledge them, I think, was definitely an area that we needed to do work on.